Hello, I'm Nasir Qureshi, Realtor Daddy with Texas Signature Realty. Another deal of the day for you. So we're going to take a look at listing. There are 3 newly built new construction houses. Listing agent is Faith Stephan with Texas Signature Realty. Her phone number is 832-837-0149. And there are 3 separate houses, 3 separate newly constructed, and then 1605 Sylvester Road, Houston, Texas 7709. So they are obviously built brand new, 4 days on the market, 3 bedroom and one and a half bath, 2,306 square feet, living space 1,602 square feet. And let's take a look at the pictures. So these are 3 townhomes, new construction, right next to each other, and BTSA bonus to the selling agent is $7,000 if the contract is entered and closed and before the end of this month, February 28, 2026. They are a little bit flexible, whether it's towards the closing of the contract, but you must enter the contract before February 28, 2026. And they will also give you a buyer's agent commission, and the seller will contribute towards the closing costs. You got to contact Miss Faith, listing agent. Let's look at the pictures. Beautiful, nice homes. There you go. Townhome style, nicely done restroom. Looks like it's virtual staging. Here's the main street. Beautifully done right here, this patio. Appliances included. Wow, very nice. It's such a good hangout here. Place to hang out. So February 7th, is the open house coming up 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. Please, if you have a client, stop by, contact agent Faith. Her phone number is 832-837-0149. If you do not have a real estate agent, contact me on the number above, 281-857-2000. I can give you a personal tour of these 3 properties and represent you in this deal or any residential or commercial deals in the state of Texas. If you have any listing property for us to consider on the deal of the day, please contact me. And of course, remember, time is money, but real estate is both. We'll see you at the top. Thank you for all your support and love, and bye-bye for now.